Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Rani's Pakshala and more. Happy Makar Sankrati to all of you. মকর সংক্রান্তি ও পৌষ পার্বণের শুভেচ্ছা ভালোবাসা জানাই তোমাদের সবাইকে। For মকর সংক্রান্তি I am going to make some sweet things. First of all I will make our traditional মকর সংক্রান্তি sweet. I have here sesame seed, til. I will make sesame seed ball with jaggery. This is our traditional. Every Makar Sankranti morning after puja we eat sesame seed ball. And I will make malpua, what is my daughter's favorite. And other things is very famous Bengali winter sweet, patishapta pite. For that all ingredient I have here to make all those things. I will show you. I hope all of you watch my video from start to end and do consider to subscribe my channel. Share with your family and friends. Thank you. I have here sunflower oil for frying malpoa, and I have here some butter for making patishapta, for greasing pan. This is dates jaggery, khejur gur, and this is patali gur, just normal jaggery. And here I have a filling for making patishapta pite. This filling I made grated coconut and jaggery. And here is water. I will make batter from water. I did not put milk because my younger daughter, she has a allergy of cow milk. And here is half cup of wheat flour, and here is quarter cup of semolina suji. This is maida. And here I have rice flour what I made. I already put the video. You can see it how can make rice flour at home. Let's see how can I make all these things. I'm making malpua and patishapta from one batter. First of all I make malpua, and then from the same batter I will make patishapta. See how can I make from one batter two kinds of pite. Taking 2 cups of rice flour, here is half cup of wheat flour, maida, quarter cup of semolina suji, this jaggery half cup, and you can put your choice how much sweet you want to eat or you like how much sweet. And I'm mixing all this, and now I'm putting little water and mix it. Water as needed. First of all I'm making malpua. For malpua you need a thick batter. Take little time making batter. After mixing jaggery is dissolved, then put 10 to 15 minutes for rest. Look the consistency of my batter. This is for malpua. Leave rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Making jaggery syrup. Water is boiled. I am giving jaggery. This jaggery made from dates, khejurer gur, very tasty, especially winter season. My syrup almost ready. Look, there is a little sticky here. I'm putting little bit of lime juice, some dropples. Cook a second and then my syrup is ready. Now I'm going to make sesame ball in the same karai. Little bit of water. Cook some time. When the jaggery syrup little bit sticky, I will put pre-roasted sesame seed. It's almost ready. Look, now off the stove. Mix well, let it little bit cool down, and then I will make ball. I can put my finger, wet your hand with water. Nicely I can make ball, and when this is more cool it will hard. Like this I make all. Every time wet your hand with water, then it will not stick to your hand and easy for making ball. My sesame ball is ready for Makar Sankrati. After making sesame seed ball, I wash the karai, and karai is heat now. I will put oil for making malpua. Now I will see what about batter. After 20 minutes, see the consistency, ঘনত্ব এরকমের করেছি আমি, দেখি কি হয়. If not working, then I will make it thicker or I will make it little bit thinner, but hopefully no need to make it thinner. I made lots of time like this. Oil is hot. First one, let's see what happened. Hopefully it will okay. Started floating. Yeah, thank God. Look how nice. Oh, like a balloon. I'm so happy. Turn it now. Oh, I can turn it. Oh yeah. Okay. First one is so good. দেখো কত সুন্দর হয়েছে. How beautiful it is. The color, look the color. Done. Take it out. Second one. This one also good. I'm very happy for my batter. I'm frying low medium heat. When oil is hot, then reduce your stove low medium. Fry your malpua with low medium heat. Then the malpua cook inside and outside. Every time before putting on oil, mix a little bit like this. Like this I make all my malpuas, and then we'll make patishapta. One bowl of malpua here. Look, so many malpuas I made. Here I have a leftover. Now I will make it thinner and will make patishapta. Make much more thinner than malpua batter. Little more thinner because patishapta batter thinner is better, I think. Look, because there is some fold on patishapta. For perfect patishapta, make your pan very hot and then reduce the heat and spread some butter. Put batter and spread immediately. Cook 1-2 seconds with low medium heat, and then add filling and fold it like this and press the two sides. And cook 1 or 2 seconds more and then take it out. Now take it out. My one patishapta is done. Just two sides, then coconut filling does not come out. Cook 1 or 2 seconds again, two sides, and then take it out. All my patishapta I will make like this. My last patishapta is done. Like so many patishapta I have made. These all things I made you have seen for Makar Sankrati. Sesame seed ball, jaggery syrup for patishapta, and this is malpua. All things Bengali special for Makar Sankrati. Happy Makar Sankrati to all of you. Hopefully all of you like it. Thank you for watching. Tata.